You want to start by getting the breaker bar, 1/2-inch drive, get it placed into the tensioner pulley, push away to the driver's side of the car, slip the belt off one of the pulleys, and go ahead and slowly release that. Pull that breaker bar back out of there. Then you can start working this belt off of these individual pulleys. And slide it on out of there. Belt is out. You take the new belt, feed it down to your air conditioning clutch first, wrap it around your idler, down around your harmonic balancer, down around your power steering, make sure we're seated around each of those pulleys properly. You want it to be sitting down inside those grooves before you go to torque it back up over your alternator. Get your breaker bar back in. Alright, we're not quite over our air conditioner. There we go. So we've seated each of the pulleys. We're good wrapping there, good wrapping there. Give your tensioner pulley a good once over, and you're done.